Hello students, this is Swati Bakshi, Computer Faculty, Government Senior Secondary School Pasiana, Patiala. In this lecture, we are going to cover class 10th, chapter number 5, Desktop Publishing, and today's question is question number 3, that is a long question, and the question is difference between impact printer and non-impact printers. So let's start. First of all, before discussing about the difference between impact printer or non-impact printer, let's revise what is printer. A computer printer or just a printer is a piece of hardware for a computer. It means printer is a hardware device. It allows a user to print items on paper. Means hard copy. It gives hard copy such as letters and pictures. Now start differentiation. First, on the basis of description. Impact printers. Impact printers form images and characters by striking a mechanism such as a printer hammer or wheel against inked ribbon, leaving an image on paper. It has a hammer. Impact printer has hammer which strikes on the paper, whereas non-impact printers form characters and images without direct physical contact between the printing mechanism and the paper. It means they don't strike. Impact printers strike on the paper and non-impact printers, they don't strike on the paper. Next is printing mechanism. If we talk about impact printers, printing in impact printer is done by hammering a metal pin or a character die. Whereas non-impact printers, printing in non-impact printer is done by depositing ink on paper in any form. Next is speed. On the basis of speed, impact printers are low speed printers. Speed of impact printer is very low. They consume a lot of time to print a document. Whereas non-impact printers, they are very fast. They can print many pages per time. Next is noise level. On the basis of noise level, impact printers have high noise level because they have many moving parts, and also the print head strikes on the ribbon and paper, which creates a lot of noise. Whereas non-impact printers, they don't have high level of noise. The process of laying ink or toner onto paper is virtually silent. It means the non-impact printers are silent printers. Print quality. The print quality of impact printer is lower than non-impact printers. They don't print a good quality on the paper. Whereas non-impact printers is higher than those of impact printers. Next is technology. Impact printer use old printing technologies, but non-impact printers use latest printing technologies. That's why they are faster, they are silent, and they have many more features than impact printers. Next is cost. On the basis of cost, the impact printers are often less expensive, whereas non-impact printers, they are often very expensive when compared to impact printers. Next is nature of paper sheet used. What kind of paper sheet used in impact and non-impact printers? Let's talk about impact printers. They use continuous paper sheets. Like one paper roll is used in impact printer, Whereas non-impact printer, they often use individual paper sheets. There are so many set of paper sizes which are used in non-impact printers like A4 size, legal size, and many more. Graphics images. Now students, impact printers, with exception of dot matrix printer, impact printers cannot print graphics. That is a big drawback. Whereas non-impact printers, printing of graphical images in non-impact printers is very much possible. Now, examples. You can see in this diagram, printer is classified into two types, impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer is further divided into two types, character printer and line printer. In character printer, you have daisy wheel printer and dot matrix printer. Whereas in line printer, you have drum printer and chain printer. On the other side, laser printer, inkjet printer and thermal printer are the examples of non-impact printer.
Dear students, I hope you all have learnt a lot from this video and also have enjoyed a lot watching this video. Finally, I would request you all to watch this video time and again so that the concepts are totally cleared. Thank you so much.